you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you all. These deals started on Sunday, August 6th, and they are good up until Saturday, August 13th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, guys, so what you see here is two separate transactions. Everything right here is my first transaction, and then the rest is my second transaction. With everything that I have here, I was able to get all of this for completely free, plus a $4.04 moneymaker. So now let's go ahead and start with my first transaction. In this transaction, I was working towards the P&G deal, get a $5 registry reward when you spend $15, and then also the personal care deal, get a $5 store coupon when you spend $20, along with some other deals. So first off, we are going to go ahead and start with the Asper Cream. So I grabbed the Asper Cream Pain Relief Patch, and then I also grabbed the Asper Cream Pain Relief Cream. So these products are buy one, get one 50% off. And the Asper Cream Patch is regularly priced at $11.79. The Asper Cream Pain Relief Cream is regularly priced at $9.99, but it was 50% off, so it rung up at $4.99. So $11.79 plus $4.99, that brought my total to $16.78. We have a $3 off of one digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And then we also have a 5 off of one digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So that's a total of $8 in digital coupons. So $16.78 minus the $8 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $8.78. Also, if you check your IBOTTA accounts, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $4 back. I think the limit is 2, so I did get back a total of $8 from IBOTTA. So $8.78 minus the $8 that I received from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to just 78 cents for both of these, or it makes each one just 39 cents. So this is a fantastic deal. So you guys, I don't know if the IBOTTA rebate is still available, because I actually went to another Walgreens to do this deal again, and I could not find the rebate. But still check your accounts because you may still have it. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased a total of 3 of the Dial body wash. So these are priced at Walgreens for 2 for $8. I purchased 3 because the deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 store coupon. So I purchased 3, and each one of them rung up at $4. So it brought my grand total to $12. We do have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $12 minus the $2 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $10. And then I did receive back my $5 store coupon for purchasing 3. So $10 minus this $5 store coupon, that brought my total down to $5. But then when you check your IBOTTA app, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $1 back. The limit is 5. I only purchased 3. So I did get back $3 from IBOTTA, bringing my grand total down to just $2 for all 3. Now, I know some of you guys may know that when you are purchasing products, you want to make sure that you purchase the same product. So for me, I purchased 2 of the same scent, and then I purchased a different one, but my $5 store coupon still printed off for me. Now, there's a thing with the Walgreens system, whereas if you purchase a product and you have a digital coupon that's coming off you. So for an example, if you have $3 off of 2 Crest toothpaste, the toothpaste have to be the exact same, or else your digital coupon won't come off. And then if you're supposed to receive a registry reward, your registry reward may or may not print. So just to let you guys know, my store only had these 2 cents plus this one. If they would have had a third one of these kind, I would have went ahead and grabbed that one. But I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and risk it, and hopefully I get my $5 store coupon, and it did print for me. Next up, I went ahead and I purchased a total of 3 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3. I purchased 3, so 3 times 3 is 9. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to purchase 3 at $3. That's going to bring your total to $9. We have a 2 off of 1 Crest coupon on the Walgreens app. And then we also have a 3 off of 2 Crest coupon on the Walgreens app. So that's a total of $5 in digital coupons. So $9 minus the $5 in digital coupons, that's going to bring your total down to $4. Then you will receive back the $5 register reward for purchasing 3, making those toothpaste completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. And then also, as I mentioned earlier, I was also completing the personal care deal. When you spend $20, you will receive back a $5 store coupon. So I did receive back that $5 store coupon, and that is from the Dial along with the Crest. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased a total of 3 packages of the 12 equals 48 Charmin Tissue. So these are priced at Walgreens for $13.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $10 register reward. So you're going to want to purchase 3 at $13.99, and that's going to bring your total to $41.97. For me, I wanted to make these a little bit cheaper. I did not have the $8 digital coupon on my account because I had already used the $8 digital coupon across all of my accounts, but I still wanted to do this deal. So $41.97. With that 20% off coupon, it took off a total of $8.40. So $41.97 minus the $8.40 from the 20% off coupon, that brought my total down to $33.57. And then we do have a 25-cent Charmin coupon, digital Charmin coupon on the Walgreens app. So that brought my total down to $33.32. Now, guys, remember how I stated that when you are purchasing these items, you want to make sure you purchase the exact ones. I knew that when I was in the store, but for some reason, I still grabbed the blue pack. I supposed to have grabbed 3 of the red packs, but I don't know why, y'all. I just ended up grabbing the blue pack. So because of that, my $10 register reward did not print because I should have grabbed a 3rd red pack. So it printed for the Dial, but it did not print for the Charmin. But that's okay because I did contact customer service, and customer service did go ahead and credit that to my account. Lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 packages of the Sour Punch Grape Straws. I've never tried the grapes, so I'm excited to try these. These are priced at Walgreens at 3 for $5. The 20% off coupon also came off of each of these packs, and it took off a total of 99 cents. So $5 minus 99 cents brought my total down to $4 and a penny. Then you're going to check your IBOTTA account because IBOTTA does have a rebate for 75 cents back. The limit is 5. I purchased 3, so 75 times 3 is $2.25. So $4.01 minus the $2.25 that I got back from IBOTTA. That brought my grand total down to $1.76, or it makes each one of these just 58 cents each. So that is everything that I got for this transaction, you guys. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. And then also, the only 2 issues I had, well, 3 issues. 2 of my digital coupons didn't come off. So my $3 digital coupon for my Asper Cream didn't come off. My 25-cent digital for my Charmin didn't come off. And then my $10 registry reward did not print, which at the time I didn't realize, but once it didn't print, I knew exactly why. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there's the Asper Cream, the first one at $11.79, second one half off at $4.99. All of my Dial body wash at $4 each. All of my Crest toothpaste at $3 each. All 3 of the Sour Punch straws at 3 for $5. The Charmin Tissue, each one of those at $13.99. As you can see, the 20% off did come off, and then the 20% also came off for the Sour Punch straws. So the total that the 20% off coupon took off was $9.39. I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, I did use a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. And then I also used a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. Along with that, you guys, I used a total of $47 in register rewards. Yes, my goal was to get my out-of-pocket as low as possible. So I used $47 in register rewards. And then there is my $3 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste. And then also, guys, I got it mixed up. My $5 digital coupon did not come off for the Asper Cream, but the $3 digital did come off, and that is what that is. My $2 digital coupon for my other Crest toothpaste, and then my $2 digital coupon for the Dow. So my subtotal came out to be $18.36. But I have to factor in the $47 in register rewards that I used. So the $18.36 plus the $47 that I used in register rewards, that brought my actual subtotal to $65.36. When you guys look down here, I got back a total of $15.63 in Walgreens cash. And before someone mentions in the comment section, yes, I know I have a lot of Walgreens cash, and yes, I do use my Walgreens cash, but this is one of the accounts that I use so much to where the Walgreens cash is just constantly building up. But I do, in fact, use my Walgreens cash, and I will make sure that it does not expire. Okay, so I got a total of $15.63 back in Walgreens cash. The $5 when you spend $20, the $9 when you spend $40, the $1.63, that is the Walgreens everyday points. So $65.36 minus the $15.63 that I got back in Walgreens cash, that brought my total down to $49.73. Then I got back a total of $15.25 from customer service. $10 for my $10 register reward not printing, $5 for my digital coupon for the Asper Cream, and then 25 cents for the digital coupon for Charmin. So $49.73 minus that $15.25 that I received from customer service, that brought my total down to just $34.48. Then in register rewards, register rewards and store rewards, I got back a total of $20. I got back my $20 store coupon for spending $20 on personal care items, my $5 store coupon for buying 3 Dow, my $5 register reward for buying 3 Crest, and my $5 register reward for spending $15 on P&G. So that's a total of $20. So $34.48 minus the $20 in rewards, that brought my total down to $14.48. Then I submitted my receipt to IBOTTA, and I got a total of $13.50. I got back my $3 for the Dow, the $8 for the Asper Cream, the $2.25 from the Sour Punch straws, and then I had any receipt scan, and I think that was for like 25 cents. So I got back a total of $13.50 from IBOTTA. So $14.48 minus the $13.50 that I got from IBOTTA, that brought my grand total down, you guys, for all of this that you see right here to just 98 cents. Yes, 98 cents for this transaction. But once I go over my second transaction, that moneymaker that's in this transaction is going to pay for this transaction. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. Okay, guys, so here is my second transaction, and this is everything that I got. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Scott. So I went ahead and I purchased 2 of these Scott paper towels, and they are regularly priced at $5. I purchased 2, so 5 plus 5 is 10. We do have a $1.25 IVC coupon, so $10 minus the $2.50 in the IVC coupon because the $1.25 came off twice. So $10 minus $2.50 brought my total down to just $7.50 for both packs. I also went ahead and I grabbed 3 more of the Crest toothpaste. So again, these are priced at $3. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 register reward. So you're going to purchase 3 at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $9. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, and then we also have a 2 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So that's a total of $5 in digital coupons. So $9 minus the $5 in digital coupons will bring your total down to $4. And then you will receive back that $5 registry reward, which I did receive right here, making those toothpaste completely free plus a $1 money maker. And then I also purchased the Venus Gillette Comfort Glide. These are the cartridges. This is priced at Walgreens for $15. And then I also purchased the Venus Razor at Walgreens for $11. So the deal with this is spend $25 and receive $10 in Walgreens cash. And this is also a part of the personal care deal where when you spend $20, you will receive back $5. And then it is also a part of the P&G deal to where when you spend $15, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. So for both of these items, my total came out to be $26. We have a 7 off of 1 digital coupon, and then we also have a 5 off of 1 digital coupon. So that's a total of $12 in digital coupons. So $26 minus $12, that brought my total down to $14. And then when you spend $25, you will receive back $10. So $14 minus the $10 brought my total down to $4. And then because I spent $20 on personal care, I did receive back the $5 store coupon, which is right here. So that made this a $1 money maker. And then since it is P&G and I did spend well over $15, I got back the $5 registry reward for that one, making this a $6 money maker. Now on this transaction, I also used a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. So let me show you guys my receipt. So there are the 3 Crest toothpaste at $3, so $9. The Venus Razor at $11, the Venus cartridge at $15, both of the Scott at $10. The IVC coupon came off twice, so it took off $2.50. I did roll a P&G coupon that I had previously. And then my $7 digital came off, $5 digital, $3 digital for Crest, and $2 digital for Crest. So my subtotal came out to be $20.50, but I have to add in that $5 registry reward. So my subtotal is actually $25.50. And then when you look down here, I did earn back $15.42. So $25.50 minus the $15.42. That brought my total down to $10.80. So now of the $15.42, I got back the $5 when you spend $20. That's the digital booster. The $10 when you spend $25 for the Venus. And then the 42 cents is the Walgreens everyday points. So that's a total of $15.42. So that brought my total down to $10.08. Then in registry rewards, I got back $15. I got back the $5 registry reward for buying the 3 Crest, the $5 registry reward for spending $15 on P&G, and then I also got back the $5 store coupon for spending $20 on personal care items. So $10.08 minus the $15 that I got back in registry in store rewards, that made this transaction completely free, plus a $4.92 money maker. But now we're going to apply that $4.92 money maker for this transaction to my first transaction, which I paid 98 cents for. So when I apply that to this transaction, that makes all of this completely free, plus a $3.94 money maker. I did submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards. With my first receipt, I just got back 25 points. But with my second receipt, I did get back 100 points for the Scott, which is 10 cents. And y'all know that I like to add all of my savings in. So if you want to add that 10 cents to my transaction, that actually makes this transaction completely free, plus a $4.04 money maker. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what deals y'all are taking advantage of this week at Walgreens. And I will see you guys in my next video.